Hello everyone, I'm Sewmi and today I'm presenting my project PlantScan, an AI-powered mobile application designed to detect plant disease and recommend treatments. In agriculture, one major problem is that farmers often cannot identify plant disease early. This leads to crop damage, reduced yield, and financial loss. This affects smallholder farmers, agricultural extension workers, and agri-supply companies, all of who need fast and accurate disease identification. My solution is PlantScan AI. A farmer simply photograph a disease leaf, the AI analyzes it, identifies the disease, and delivers a complete treatment plan. No agricultural expert needed. The process follows 4 steps: capture, analyze, diagnose, and treat. The core technology is convolution neural network using mobile NetV2 as the base model, pre-trained on over 1 million images using transfer learning. The model was trained on Google Colab and achieved 92% validation accuracy. The backend runs on Fast API and is deployed on Railway app, so it works 24 hours a day. PlantScan AI has 6 key features. The core features are disease diagnosis and treatment plans. I also added new features including a severity badge, so farmers know urgency, a medicine tracker calendar, medicine reminders, and professional dark mode interface designed for outdoor use. Now let me show you the app live on my phone. I will open the PlantScan AI, take a photo of disease leaf, and show you how the AI identifies disease and provides the full treatment plans. Now you can see the home page, and here you can check the details. This app achieves 92% accuracy, detects 15 disease classes, and was trained on over 20,000 images. Here you can press the scan button and it will be taken to the scan area. I select an image of a plant leaf. The image is sent to the AI model. As you can see, the app detects disease and shows the disease name, confidence level, treatment plans, prevention tips. Now you've seen how to get treatment plans. I will also show the medicine tracker screen and how we set the reminder. This is my farm. These are healthy plants, but in real farming, diseases can appear at any time. That's why I created PlantScan AI to help detect diseases early and protect crops before they are damaged. In the future, I plan to add an AI chatbot using Cloud API and YouTube treatment videos, move plant diseases from dataset like rice and cassava, a web version, and eventually publish to the Google Play Store. In conclusion, PlantScan AI combines artificial intelligence and mobile technology to provide a practical solution for farmers. Thank you for listening. I'm happy to answer any question.